Pakistan's economy, we love to say, is an economy which has proven again and again its resilience. And that's not the best story that we have, right? Because you don't want to constantly test an economy or its people on the resilience front. However, Pakistan is currently obviously going through a difficult time on the economic front simply because of the economic shocks. I think less because of internal compulsions and more because of the external economic shocks which have come from, one, the ongoing or the conflict which was on our borders for about 20 years. And that has obviously taken a toll. When you look into the numbers, it's billions of dollars. And the security focus that you have to have because of the spending you have is limited pie, and because you have to take spending out of health and education and put it on managing the border, which was a difficult border to manage. So having said all of that, currently there is the external shock of the international oil prices, which is really what is the driver of the current problem. The fiscal space which has contracted is because of that one particular external shock. And as we go forward, I think this government is committed to ensuring that we do the responsible thing. So the moment the journey to that has already started, and as soon as that happens, I feel very strongly that we are also very keen to give the right signaling to areas or parts of the economy which have low-hanging fruit, which have potential to really grow very quickly and make Pakistan also grow.